Hi, I am Anvita. This is my mom, Padmapriya. Hi guys, I'm Ditya and this is my mom, Padmaja. Hi guys, I'm Jasmita and this is my mom, Ashwini. Hi guys, welcome to KABALI by Padmaja. We are going to make a special snack for kids. The dish name is Sarva Pindi. So for that, we need to chop green chili, green onion, and onion. And we need chana dal, ginger garlic paste, and peanuts. And we need curry leaves, sesame seeds, and rice flour.
So we need to soak the chana dal before mixing it into the rice flour. And now we are adding little warm water. And check the consistency and add little few more based on our requirement. After mixing all the ingredients, the consistency should be like this. We need to make it like a chapati dough and later grease it with oil and mix it properly and leave it for 5 minutes.
We are excited to start cooking.
Start with cooking. Take a big ball size dough and grease the pan with the oil and flatten it.
Oh.
Press the dough evenly and you have to make the holes like this and add oil in between the holes.
This is red
And now turn on the flame. Cook it on medium flame and leave it until it turns to golden brown in color. Pour oil in between the holes. Turn on the flame.
Ooh, now it's ready! Now what do we need to do next? I think we can feed it to the KABALI. It's because it is cooked with KABALI shell. He is the youngest KABALI of the season. He has a cute gubber shell. He has a nice stylish one. Okay,
So hard. It's nice.
it's very yummy. Delicious. Tasty. Mom, how do you know about Sarva Pindi? It's so delicious.
Jashu, you know this is very old and authentic snack of state Telangana, which is in India. There, my mom, her grandmom, like so many moms used to make this for their children in the evening like a snack. And this is so delicious and healthy. And also it was very easy to make, right? Did you like it?
Yeah,
How was that?
so good.
Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't be too slow. Get ready, let's go. Bobby Sharks presents a cooking show, and KABALI is the VIP of the show. Share a recipe or just have fun. It's all put together as one. Jolly, jolly, jolly. Cook with Kabali. Jolly, jolly, jolly. Cook with Kabali. Cook with Kabali.